Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a heading in Canva. This is a simple way to structure your content and make your designs clearer and more visually appealing. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, open your project. If you want to add a heading, all you need to do is click the text option on the left side of your dashboard. Once you're there, you will see the Add Heading option right away. Just click Add Heading and place it where you want it on your design. From here, you can customize it however you like. You can move it around and choose where you want to position it. You can also change the font to match your style. We can also change the color of the heading, whether you prefer a gradient look or a solid color. We can also add effects or adjust the transparency. Changing the transparency can make the heading more subtle, and adding effects like a glow can make it stand out. We can even animate the heading. It all comes down to your preferences and how you want to customize it. Feel free to explore all these options and make adjustments until you're happy with the result. Once you're done, simply click Save, and that's how we add a heading in Canva. With these simple steps, we can make our designs more structured and professional.